everyone, welcome to Unit 6, Week 3, Day 4. So today is Thursday. So I'm going to say some words and you're going to listen and find the one that doesn't belong. This is phonemic awareness. So if I say knee, not, rope, which one does not belong? Rope, because it doesn't have an n at the beginning. Let's do a few more. Germ, hurt, toil. Toil does not belong because it does not have an sound in the middle. No, cup, nice. So cup would not belong because it doesn't have an n at the beginning. Last one, farm, card, join. Which one does not belong? Join, because it does not have an R sound in the middle. Okay, so we're reviewing some compound words. So we'll give you 3 seconds and then we'll read it. 3, 2, 1, knee pad. Hold on, let me make that. No, that's good. Okay, 3, 2, 1, snowball. 3, 2, 1, wristwatch. 3, 2, 1, moonlight. 3, 2, 1, baseball. 3, 2, 1, daydream. 3, 2, 1, homework. 3, 2, 1, doghouse. 3, 2, 1, strawberry. 3, 2, 1, toothbrush. Okay, so this word is 3, 2, 1, wreck. Change the k to n. Wren. Change the wren. Add a ch at the end. Wrench. Remove the ch and change the e to ah. So, and add a at the end. That's tricky. So, wrong. Change the ah to I. Ring. Change the n to st. Wrist. Change the st to ite. Right. Change the st. Oh, we already did that. Okay, so that's right again. Change the I to O. Wrote. Change the to n. Note. Change the n to k. Oh, sorry guys. Change the n to this n, and then get rid of the silent e. Not. So that would be. That was really tricky. Sorry guys. So I think this was supposed to be not, and then later on it's supposed to be knit. So we'll just keep going. So here's knit. Add, instead of I, add an I. Night. Remove the T. That'd be nigh. And change it to oo. New. Okay. And then change the n to n, this n, and change the oo to ohm. Gnome. Okay, that was kind of tricky. I had to really think about that one. Sorry for the mistakes. So for spelling and dictation, you can either do it on your paper, or you can do it online. So let's blend some sounds. Wren. Oh, wrench. New. Gnome. Okay. Whoops. Oh, wrist. Wristwatch. Knee. Pad. Knee pad. Okay, here's our sentence. Do you know how to knot a scarf? Okay, here's our story for today. A lighthouse stops wrecks. So a wreck is like a crash. So this lighthouse is going to help ships not crash into the land. Okay, here are some words we'll see. Were, worked, all, could, many, there, like over there, question, would, And here's our story. A lighthouse, there's a compound word. A lighthouse stops wrecks. In the past, ships counted on a lighthouse to stay safe. A light showed the way in bad storms or in fog. Ships and crews were safe. So the crew is the people on the ship. A lighthouse keeper worked all year round, month after month. He flicked his wrist to flip on the light. The light sent out beams. The light sent out beams that night. The lighthouse lit up safe places for ships to sail. If a ship made a wrong turn, it would be wrecked on the rocks. Okay. The lighthouse keeper had many jobs. There was no question that the keeper would help a ship. The keeper also wrote notes in a log to keep track of storms. He tracked the wrecks. He could launch a rescue boat to help in a huge storm. Lighthouse keepers have not been used for many years. There is just one lighthouse left in the U.S. with a keeper. I wonder where that is. Now ships use other tools to stay safe. A lighthouse reminds us of the past. It is still a nice place for grown-ups and children to visit. Okay, let's see. I'm going to have to look that up, where that lighthouse is. Okay, so a compound word is a longer word made up of two smaller words. So I'm going to say the word and we can break it apart. Snowflake, snowflake, snowflake. Meatball, meatball, meatball. Birthday, birthday, birthday. Popcorn, popcorn, popcorn. Sundown, sundown, sundown. Playground, playground, playground. Okay, here are our high frequency words. Bin, the children have been here all day. Children, the children have been here all day. Month, this is the first month in the year. Question, their group has a question it would like to ask. Their group has a question it would like to ask. Year, this is the first month of the year. Okay, so remember that when we use the pronouns nobody, somebody, and anybody, that we use those when we aren't talking about any special person. So if I'm talking about Jane, I would say, this is Jane. Jane can run, or she can run. But if I'm using an indefinite pronoun, I might say somebody can run. So we don't really know it's Jane. So we're going to use these sentence stems. So let's read it. Nobody heard me blank. So our indefinite pronoun is nobody, which literally means no body, and it means no special person. So no special person what? Nobody heard me. How about talk? How about, okay, I didn't realize it was hard to, so let me list a few things. So nobody heard me, we could say talk, nobody, I don't know what's doing that. Nobody heard me sing, nobody heard me laugh. And remember, nobody is an indefinite pronoun and it means no one special, like no one in particular. Okay, here's our next one. Will somebody please blank? So what's my indefinite pronoun? It would be somebody, because that would be some person, somebody. Please blank. So we could say, will somebody please go to the store? Sorry. Okay. Will somebody please go with me? Will somebody please play a game with me? Okay, so there are a few of those. Remember, nobody means no special person. Somebody means some special person. Okay, thanks everyone. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.